This procedure of setting the keyboard shortcut override toggle leaves something to be desired. It's awkward having to open up the floating toolbars every time you want to do this. I'll show you a better way. Let's close the material editor and hide the floating toolbars. Open up the Customize User Interface dialog and select one of the items in the list. Type in KEY, scroll down, and locate the keyboard shortcut override toggle. I recommend assigning a hotkey so that you don't have to access it from the toolbar. Try Alt-K. It's not assigned by default, and it will be easy to remember because K is for keyboard. I'll assign it and save it. Overwrite the VizStart UI file. Now let's test it. I'll switch to the perspective viewport by right-clicking on the viewport menu, going to Views, Perspective. Then I'll open the material editor and type B. That toggled the background image here. So that means that the material editor group is active. And that means that the keyboard shortcut override toggle is on. What if I press Alt-K and then type B? That means the bottom viewport becomes active because we're back to the main UI group. By making this Alt-K the toggle, you'll be able to easily switch between keyboard shortcuts in your different groups.